I didn't really want to make a big deal out of it, but unfortunately, Nerdy and I have not been sleeping well in this hotel. For various reasons that have to do with the hotel room. The people here are absolutely lovely though. That's pretty much as far as I'm going to go with this. But we haven't been getting any sleep, and it finally caught up with us last night. We still got, even though it's only 3 panels, we got 3 exciting panels today. Merchandise has been running out, so unfortunately, a lot of the stuff that people wanted us to grab, we cannot do anymore, unfortunately. But we will do what we can. I'm going to grab some tea and head over to the convention center. Boy, hope I'm talking loud enough. We made it. I grabbed the wrong seat this morning, of course. Tim had saved us some seats, so we're sitting here, we're hanging out, waiting for the last 3 panels, the big ones. Squadron 42 doesn't count. Almost time. Now you got a crypto key, now you got a med pen, now you're good to raid a bunker.
Oh yeah, because I can just punch it and take his gun.
Yeah, judo chop. Citizencon has come to a wrap. These vlogs always get a little more light towards the end of the con because I'm not going to just show stuff that people are already just streaming. Including CIG. We do have the Amos Esports thing though later. Not that long from now. We'll probably show just a slight late to that. But there is still a little bit more to do. Been an incredibly light vlog. This is probably going to be the shortest, one of the shortest ones. Yeah, my brain's all fried right now, so. Whew. But look at all this. The most amazing thing just happened. Tyler Zyloh came up. Bye. Hi. Woo. Am I going to see you next year?
Yeah, hell yes.
Hell yeah is the right
Hell
answer.
yeah.
Hell yeah.
We're going to be there.
All right, so we got a little distracted there, but essentially the most amazing thing happened. Tyler came and he gave myself, Nerdy, and a few of our friends a pass to go tour the office. So we just set that up, and in a couple hours, we, including the one and only Lord Styles here, are going to go tour the CIG office. Oh my gosh. What a way to end Citizencon. That's going to be amazing. I'm going to go for now because we got to go to the hotel and get things all hammered out before the tour. So there's going to be more to the vlog. We had to take a slight detour, and that brought us to, is this St. Peter's? I forgot the name. I feel bad. Yeah, St. Peter's Square. I was right. While we would love to tour the church, we're here for another reason, because of time constraints. Because we have a tour to get to. Gosh, I hope the audio is picking all this up. We're here for a very silly, very touristy thing. We'll go ahead and get in. Haha, she wasn't in the booth. Why not, Nerdy?
It's locked. It's screwed shut.
Both of them are, so we're gonna get some pictures as best we can, and at least for now we tried. We are on the way to the CIA's offices now. Now, we did have to sign an NDA. So most likely I will not be able to show anything. Sorry. Anything I can show, I will show. But if the next part of this is us is Atmo, you'll know why. Right, Nerdy? Sorry. Cross your fingers. Well, as you see, we actually are able to film in a couple of places. We are able to film in a couple of places here on the tour. And this is the one that we have the longest stop for, 5 to 10 minutes, he said. Not much time, things run late. So I'm gonna get some more footage, gonna get some more pictures, and then hopefully I'll get that all in before time is up.
I mean, I'll give you a hug too if you'd like, but I really need my man. No.
All right, we just finished the tour. Was able to show what we could. We actually got to show more than I thought we could, so I'm pretty happy right now. I have memories to last me to my Alzheimer's. But now we're heading over to Atmos, fashionably late, as the cool kids do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see and check out this event. I don't know how late we'll stay, but we gotta pick up our swag too.
In that house.
Oh,
Trying to
yeah.
be. I can never tell if you're pointing it at you. It's always pointing at me. That was fast.
Inter atmosphere has been brought to you in part.
And oh, by the way,
Over Zyloh, unlock the next level of dominating game with over 600 Star Citizen icons and hotkeys right at your fingertips at the click of a button.
that's all I really want.
Thank you. Was fun. We didn't stay super long. The tour was amazing. We went to Flatiron to have dinner. We walked out with some ice cream.
Now we're going to therapy. With better help.
Wait.
Sponsored by-
What was that?
Now we're talking about all our trauma.
Childhood trauma, is that what you're saying? Were you?
No, I almost dropped my ice cream, so it was very traumatic.
Yes.
A very rare ice cream cone.
So, we're going to wrap it up. That's tonight's vlog. Tomorrow, I don't know what we're going to do. Nerdy and I are going to try to get some sleep by sleeping in to try to recover a little bit from all these days without sleep. So, whew, overall, great day. I'm so tired if you can't tell. My voice is barely hanging in there. Adventurers, I will see you tomorrow. As we're nearing the end of the vlogs, I have a couple things to say here. One, we may only have one more vlog left. As you see, this one was shorter than the others. When you get towards the end of the trip, there's less and less that you do as you're resting up and relaxing more. So, and lastly, a question for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. What was the name of the statue that Nerdy and I walked by after Citizencon ended? It is a one-word answer. That's the hint I'll give you. Adventurers, it takes a lot of time to edit these vlogs, but I really enjoy them. And since so much time has passed, it's been really nice reminiscing with them. I feel real fortunate that I have a great group of friends that I've been able to enjoy this with. And you saw a lot of them in the pictures or videos tonight. Even though most of you may not see it at this point, I want to say thank you, because your friendship has made this game just that much better. And to all you adventurers, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.